Since my earlier videos on utility mode, I've been away and we've used utility mode practically. We carry a fridge around for keeping milk fresh and dog food chilled, and that's plugged into the 13 amp socket at the back. So when we use it, as when we're parked up, we want to take the dog for a walk on the route. So there are a few things I've learnt since that help and useful tips. Okay, just a reminder of how to get to utility mode. From the front screen, press on the car and then pull down the hamburger and then EV settings and then utility mode, and then that's it activated. It's useful to be able to turn these screens off. So I found that you can turn the entertainment one off by just pressing on the hamburger and display off. That's gone. And then you can manually turn down the instrument display in the Binnacle. And to get the screen back on, just touch on the screen. You can also turn the brightness down of the main display. If you look down the side of the steering wheel, you've got this illumination control button with a plus and a minus, so you can turn that all the way down. So press minus that, and that's gone as low as it will go. Now to lock the car, you drop the window. This is what I discovered last December in my videos. You've seen this before. Make sure you've got the key in your pocket outside the car. Then you use the manual lock control to lock it and then pull the window up. And notice that you can hardly see the instrument displays are lit up at all. And then when you want to open it again, don't use a manual key, just press the button. And that's all my new tips.